All right, this is a technique to help out with your calf pain. We're gonna use the massage stick roller. Gonna go ahead and bring this to the back of the lower leg. From here, we're gonna go all the way from the top to the bottom of the lower leg because there's two calf muscles, one at the top and one at the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and go all the way down until we find a tender point, and then we're gonna go ahead and go through it for about a minute or so. And then we're gonna roll down again. Then we're gonna go through that point, and then as that loosens up, you're gonna go all the way down. So make sure that you go from all the way to the back of the knee, down to the ankle. Okay, there's two calf muscles like we said. The soleus is down here, and then the gastrocnemius is up here. So we wanna make sure that you're going all the way through. So spend about a minute per section on each tender point.